I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Can't let your roommate do it? Hell no, I ain't stupid.
Oh. Thanks,
You
buddy.
gonna let your roommate show you out? Maybe, pussy.
There wasn't hardly anything.
I know.
Seriously,
Scotty's
for
gonna
real.
get the. He's gonna get the hotter part.
Did you get the tip on fucking videos?
I got you eating it.
Yeah.
You want to? I can tell. I see it in your eyes.
Just do it.
Look how much bad news.
It only hurt for an hour.
That's all you need, really. That's gonna hurt.
Did you even get any of that?
I can hear it. I can hear it crunching.
Did he? I can't see.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, I can. That's plenty.
You get hit off that? He's turning red already.
I'll cry. It happened when
I'm about ready to cry still, dude. It hurts that bad.
Go for it.
Oh, fuck.
Hit that.
Look at him. He's trying to hold it back.
I can smell it. Can you?
Hey, you guys know why they produce that pepper, right? Pepper spray for cows. It's a genetically engineered pepper.
Oh.
Dude, is this ever gonna fucking go away?
Here in about an hour or two.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Take it.
Yeah, you
I got a bottle of Tums though.
I got a pack of plastic, but I gotta take the whole thing.
Yeah, you
do it,
probably
Bill. Don't be a pussy.
Drew's eyes are beat ass red.
Oh, you took a big bite. Oh, you're gonna hate yourself. It's already.
He thought about it about half chewing. He was like, fuck. What did I just do?
You're gonna hate yourself. Scotty's crying.
No, my balls aren't that big.
Dude, your eyes are red as shit.
Dude, you look like you just spent an hour in a gas mask taking bong hits.
I will have to say this: like when this is all said and done, every one of you guys is gonna be so tough you'll be able to eat steak with a spoon.
Fucking right. Oh, dude, I feel bad. Billy took a bite, like a good bite.
That's a bad idea, buddy.
You know the bad thing about those?
They're the same.
You can't take the capsaicin out. It's just all in there. You know, like jalapenos, they got the white part you can cut out. You can't do that with those.
Yeah, you got the reddest so far.
He took the biggest bite of the thickest part of the pepper.